Alright, make another quick video here. So when you trade on emotions, when you don't take your stop loss, this is what happens. You buy the top. You buy the top. Guys, look. I took my loss on my last video here, 378. 378. First of all, it didn't hit my stop loss, and I got out in an emotional. Guys, I'm pretty pissed off right now. I'm not going to lie with myself. There's a lot of volume on the right side. This is not looking... It's not looking good. I mean, it could be a cup and handle, but I don't think so. So look, it's they're selling. They're selling hard on the market. Two things I want to point out here. First of all, my trendline strategy, the one that tells me get in a trade, a sell, is getting hit right now, basically, right the next candle. Okay? That's why I wanted to make this video and just be like, dude, tight stop loss at the top here. Look, we haven't hit the... Let's take a look here. So the high here is 422. The high here is 411, which means this is a higher low, which means you should still be in your short. That's all I wanted to say for this video. Stop trading on emotion, you fucking fool. That's it. Basically, we have some extreme bearish divergences. Just bad news, you know, just bad news. So sorry about that, man. And for my own self, I don't want to put this video public. I really don't. So I'm gonna put it private. Probably delete it, but learn from it. I want to keep it going because I know I made a mistake. Look, let's go over my trade again. So I got in right here. I took my 1% or my 2% right here. It came back up, whatever happened, and then went down, and I bought some more, and then here I don't remember. I think I was still in the same short, right? So the mistake that I made, which completely screwed up my mindset and my winning mindset, was that I was aiming for a limit sell, and I don't know why it got me on market right here. So I was on market and I sold it by accident on market when I was looking for a limit, and that screwed up with my mindset. I was still in a winning position, but by that time it was not worth it for me because it was 3-3. It was not worth it for me in my own mindset to take a long here because I was looking for a bigger opportunity, even though it was 1.5% still, and I had two opportunities to close it here. Okay, two opportunities to close it. This is the candle that I should be getting in right now. This is the candle, and if not there, then here. If this becomes a cup, I'm not sure. Lots of sellers at the top here. Anyways, so right when it crossed right here, this candle, there's one of these candles here that was a huge support candle. I think it was this one right here, and it was coming up here. I'm like, yo, snooze you lose, dude. This is another support candle. I should have got out of my trade. Even in my other video I said, dude, above the moving averages, you should get out of your trade. Take your profits, man. Even though, but in my mindset I was like, oh, you know, 0.5%, why would I want to take 0.5%? It's because you're not going to, because you're going to be able to get in a better position. Like right now, you'd be able to be getting in a 1.3% trade right now with pretty much no risk on it. So instead of taking my 1% profit minus the fees, so let's just say 0.8% profits, I decided that I'm just going to let it ride and hope that it's not going to hit my stop loss, which it still haven't. 2 hours later, I'm getting all fidgety right here. Well, first of all, I was getting fidgety right here, and it was on this 3-minute time frame. Don't even have to open it up. But on that one, it hit perfectly my moving average. Perfectly. Guys, I want to sell, but I don't want to get in the market right now. I'm honestly, I'm kind of ashamed to of myself right now. Like, oh my gosh. The perfect trade opportunity though, not gonna lie. In my opinion. All the moving averages are pointing up though. That's the only thing that I would advise against, but double crossover looks pretty imminent. And I just screwed up. I really did. Tweezer top on the 13-hour candles. They're still buying up the prices though a little bit. Regardless, a leading diagonal type pattern, increase in volume, bearish divergence forming. MACD probably looking like it wants to cross over. Anything else? Oh yeah, so right here I could have taken my stop, but then I was at a loss at this point, so I didn't want to take a loss, right? I want to take a profit. But when I was in a profit, I didn't want to take a profit. And here at the top, which was not my stop loss, I get out. I get out at 378. Like, what the fuck were you thinking, dude? 378 at the top. You get out of your trade because you thought for sure it was gonna break out. Well, good thing I didn't long it. Okay, good thing I didn't long it. Sometimes I do that. So when you trade based off a system, like a machine, without emotion, you make money. When you trade like a fool, like I just did, and you hope, then you lose money. I should have got in a trade right now, but I couldn't because I didn't have the nerve. I didn't have the grit because of this fuck up trade right here. When I probably this screwed up a lot of things. Maybe I should have got out right away on that trade, walked away, came back to the computer later, and actually saw this could been a long opportunity with a very low risk trade as a support candle, a low risk whatever it's called, man. So another waste opportunity. My bad. I'm actually pretty pissed. These are scalping levels. I mean, we're talking about 3% up, 3% down, easy money. Easy money to capitalize on these. So that's my mistake, and I'm sorry about that. Today it's Wednesday, June 24th, 2/20, 2020. Wednesday, June 24th, 2022, 2020, Wednesday, July, or June. Focus on your mistake and don't make it again. Like, I don't... I lost the nerve to trade there. Like, even when I know I could do a successful trade, I don't have the nerve anymore to do it. Because all the fuck ups, the stupid mistakes that I've made. Like this one right here, buying at the top. Like, how fucking... That's not your stop loss. Like, not taking your profit here. Like, I'm mad at myself. Because you don't understand how many fucking times I've done stupid things like that.